Hello, my name is Bill Boyles. I am Vice President in charge of title operations for the state of Wyoming for the Title Financial Corporation. The Title Financial Corporation is the parent company of Laramie County Abstract. My wife and I moved here about a year and a half ago, and we are really happy to be here in Cheyenne. We have found the people to be extremely friendly. One of the things we're really impressed with is the community spirit in Cheyenne. We've lived in other cities across Wyoming, and I would say that Cheyenne probably is the most community spirited. So many charities that are out there working to help people. We are really impressed with that. Our business has grown since we've been here, and we'd like to thank the business community for the support of our company. We've also enjoyed some of the recreational opportunities around town, and we like the fact that we can go into Colorado and not have to live in a big city, but have the amenities of a big city when we want them. We also have children of ours that live in Colorado, so it's much easier for us to go visit them and see the grandkids, and we really have taken advantage of that. So we really are thankful to be here. We've met, like I said, very many nice people, made some nice friends, and we're going to enjoy our stay here in Cheyenne going forward. We're not planning on leaving, and we're looking forward to becoming a part of the community and enjoying the friends that we have made.